Alright, in this video we will list out the items that we have in the database on the front end of our application. So this will be a quick video with just 3 simple steps. We're going to create the template, we create the view, and also the URL. Okay, if you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that we will alert you anytime we upload a video. So now I'm going to start with the view by going to the views.py and create this view. But before that, I'm going to start the server, YouTube, the environment, and then source bin activate, run server. So I'm going to Sublime, and then in views.py we're going to create a view which is very similar to the home view. I'm going to copy the home view and then change the name to list items. Okay, so the title, I'll call it list of items. Okay, I'm gonna remove the form. Okay, so we'll have a view very similar to the home. So this here will be list items .html. all right, so we're gonna add one more variable right above here, and we're gonna call it a query set. Okay, so the query set is responsible for doing a query into the database and then assign all the objects that it found to this variable. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna have the name of the table, that is the stock table that is in models.py. So we have that as stock.objects.all. okay, so this will do a query on the database and assign all the items from the stock table to this query set. Okay, so now to list out those items on the browser, we're gonna have the query set also in the context. Query set we have here as query set as well. So I'm gonna save it and then create the HTML page. Alright, so in the templates folder we're gonna create a new file and save it as list HTML. So we're gonna save it as this file name right here. Okay, list items. Okay, file save list items.html. so I'm gonna create a HTML document and I'm gonna give it a title of title. Alright, so that is the title that we have here. In the body, I'm gonna create a follow-up that will go through this list of items that are assigned to the query set and then list them out on the template right there. Okay, so in Django, this is how you create that follow-up on the template. Alright, so I'm gonna do for instance, this is the variable name, for instance in query set. For instance in query set, so this is the variable right there. Okay, so this variable can be anything. It can be for items in a query set, for stocks in a query set, whatever variable that you want to give it, you can type the variable right there. So I'm going to use instance, for instance in a query set. So in the follow up, we're going to have the template tags, instance dot item name, so that's the item name right there. Okay, so instance dot item name, and then we're gonna have a comma and another instance dot quantity. Okay, so we're gonna end the for loop and for and save it. So now the next step is to go to the URLs.py and then create a URL to be able to give us a route to this page. Okay, so the URL will have a pattern like this: list items. Okay, so the name will be, the name of the view is list items, and I'm gonna give it a name of list items. Okay, so now when I go to that URL, alright, so now when I do localhost / list items, I should be able to see the items. So we have mouse 50, keyboard 10, desk 5, chair 20. So I want to break the line just after the quantity. Alright, so after every line it should make a BR. Save it, refresh again. We have mouse 50, keyboard 10, desk and chair. Alright, so this is how to render the items you have in the database onto the front end of the application. So if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. If you have not subscribed and you're enjoying this content, please click on the subscribe button, and see you in the next one.